This is the Pomodoro Technique explained in 2 minutes. My name is Graham. Let's get started. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. Within studying or working, there is a common problem of maintaining focus. It is difficult to pull ourselves to start doing our work at all. But when we do manage to sit down and study, it seems like we immediately lose track and our mind wanders. The major technique to prevent this is called the Pomodoro Technique. The technique uses a timer to break down work into intervals, traditionally 25 minutes in length, separated by a short break of 5 minutes. An interval is known as a pomodoro from the Italian word for tomato after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that Cirillo used as a student. There are 6 steps. 1. Decide on what needs to be done. 2. Set the Pomodoro timer for 25 minutes. 3. Work on the task. 4. End work when the timer rings and take a short break, which is typically 5 to 10 minutes. 5. If you have fewer than 3 Pomodoros, go back to step 2 and repeat until you go through all 3 Pomodoros. 6. After 3 Pomodoros are done, take the 4th Pomodoro and then take a long break. Once the long break is finished, repeat to step 2. Regular breaks are taken, aiding assimilation. A short 10-minute break separates consecutive Pomodoros. 3 Pomodoros form a set. A longer 20 to 30-minute break is taken between sets. A goal of the technique is to reduce the impact of interruptions on focus and flow. A Pomodoro is indivisible. When interrupted during a Pomodoro, either the other activity must be recorded and postponed or the Pomodoro must be abandoned. After task completion in a Pomodoro, any time remaining should be devoted to activities. If a Pomodoro begins, it has to ring. It's a good idea to take advantage of the opportunity for overlearning, using the remaining portion of the Pomodoro to review or repeat what you've done. Make small improvements and note what you've learned until the Pomodoro rings. A low-tech approach is encouraged, using a mechanical timer, paper, and a pencil. The physical act of winding the timer confirms the user's determination to start the task. Ticking externalizes desire to complete the task. Ringing announces a break. Flow and focus become associated with these physical. The stages of planning, tracking, recording, processing, and visualizing are fundamental to the technique. In the planning phase, tasks are prioritized by recording them in a list of things to do today. This enables users to estimate the effort tasks require. As Pomodoros are completed, they are recorded, adding to a sense of accomplishment and providing raw data for subsequent self-observation and improvement. This was the Pomodoro Technique explained in 2 minutes. Please like, share, and subscribe if you liked this video.